Okay, so thank you everybody for getting me to 100 subscribers. I know the special's a little late as we're at, I think, 103 as of filming, so I'll put that up right here. So you can see we're going to be unboxing this iPhone 3G that is still sealed. So I'll get my knife, flip it over, and I'll be right back. Okay, you can see the back of it looks a little tattered like the front, but let's open it up and see. Breaking the seal after 12 long years. Listen to that. Okay, now flip it over. Okay, well, we have it backwards, but I'll open it up. Get this knife out here. And there's the phone. Nicely scratched up. Look at that. What is this? An iPhone 2G dock? It is. Dirty lightning cable. And a new Apple power brick. So I actually got this phone, like, I don't know, about a year ago. It was just really nice shape, the box. It was like $30 US. I bought it when I was on a trip. You can see oh, that's the original iPhone, so that off to the side. Yeah, the 3G did come with this dock. I spent hours polishing it, as you can see the previous owner, bring the light back in here, was actually using it with the 2G dock. And they don't fit, like, look at that. But this phone works and everything. It's just got some deep scratches in the glass. And it's all dirty. But yeah, to make the look like a fake seal, I just used a old Ziploc bag. But 100 subscribers isn't a joke. Thank you guys a lot for that. So I guess we'll just continue the unboxing while we're here. Move the 2G back to where it goes so it doesn't get wrecked. Now, where were we? Opening this up. It actually does have the SIM eject tool and everything is still in here. And look at that, iPhone 3G. Just like that. And look at that, I crumpled it all up. Your fingertips and the Apple stickers. I always find the fingertips kind of cool. It's just this massive brochure. Let's see how long it actually is. So start. Look at that. Such a train. And we'll go back the other way. Look at that. They got the point dynamite. Don't know what that is. So, a child and super monkey ball. So now we'll just stick these back inside of here. And we'll move on to the main attraction. Put this back in the box. The charging brick. I don't know where. This might have been when I got with my iPhone 10 or iPad. Something. Actually, no, it wouldn't be an iPad because those ones always have little green dots. I'll grab one of those quick. Okay, so here's just some of my charging bricks I grabbed. Okay, there. That's what I mean. It's one that came with my original iPad mini that I got in like 2013 or whatever. It was a 2012 first gen, but that's when I got it. Came with a brick like this. I have another one, like two. I just don't know where they went. Well, they're probably in use. And I was also wondering, couldn't remember, because I actually did get the original charging cable with this. I think it was one of these ones. It wasn't one of these old locking ones. I believe they stopped using these in like 2006 or something. I don't even know if this one works either. But yeah. So here's the phone. Again. Actually, what's pretty cool about it is it's not updated all the way to iOS 4. It's on iPhone OS 3.1.3, which is kind of funny, is running something that old. The 2G is also on an older version. Yeah, it's on 3.1.2, and it can go up to 3.1.3. And this one can go up to 4.0.1 maybe? I can't remember. But yeah, the 2G is actually in much better shape, and it's a year older. This one I bought on eBay, like, I don't know, it was like 90 Canadian dollars, which now, once for similar condition, cost a lot more. I haven't really been following the 3G prices, as I just bought this because I thought it looked cool. I'd always kind of wanted a 3G just because like plastic back, that's kind of weird. I guess that and the 3GS and the 5C plastic iPhones. But yeah, it's so scratched up. Now you can't, thinking of like iOS 10 and later. But yeah, take a picture. Look at that quality. There. And you don't get any video recording capabilities. I think that came in the 3GS. There's a picture of my dog. So yeah, thank you very much for the 100 subscribers. I know I'm a little bit late, 3 subscribers late, but yeah, that's not a joke. Like this video. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you when we can get to 200 subs. One thing before I go, I actually do have a sealed iPod. I had a different one that I sold and made quite a bit of money off of, but this one, keeping, and I don't plan on opening it anytime soon. I did make a different video about it, but just polishing the box in like April. But yeah, maybe if we get to 100,000, I'll open it. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.